Madam President.
Good morning for me.
Good morning.
Not good.
Yugoslavia, but I think that is it's in midterm.
Are good for us coverage and how we can.
We have agreed to continue collaborating in efforts to foster peace in the Horn of Africa, the Great Lakes region, and globally. I did take time to explain to Her Excellency what we are doing in our region, in Somalia, to stabilize that region and to work that country and to work with others in the awesome process that is currently underway in Somalia. I did also explain to Her Excellency that Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia are working with South Sudan to see what we can do together, and there are ongoing discussions on what we can contribute.
Mr. President and myself, we both believe in multilateralism. You know, the world is having a lot of problems nowadays. And believing in United Nations and international law and humanitarian law, this is something very close to my heart, and I know it's very close to the heart of your President as well. So Slovenia and Kenya are going to cooperate on this multilateral fora, the only one we do have. And I think it's really, really very important to assent this.